Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this 5 ways up is a wave A. I think this is an A, B, C of wave B that we're in right now. And eventually it is probably going to make another attempt on the uptrend, but I think that's a long ways out. So going down to the weekly time frame, boy, on the weekly time frame, it looks like that it is going down for a possible end of a wave two. Definitely looks like impulsive down, corrective up, Fibonacci bounce, very engulfing down. Looks like it's trying to break structure. If this is the end of a wave two, then we are very likely now at the beginning stages of a wave three, and then eventually it'll make a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five. I do believe that this wave three needs to take out the lower wave four. It's probably going to end up eventually looking something like this to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Definitely looks like the end of a correction. I mean, this move up does look a little more like a trend, so we have to be a little bit cautious. I mean, this possibly could be a wave A, this possibly could be a wave B. It definitely is possible that it goes up and makes a wave C, which would be a more, traditional looking ABC correction before it actually does continue down. I always try to look at all possibilities, and this definitely is a possibility, but with the fact that it bounced from a fib level, with the fact that this is turning right after a really big news event and it's starting to break structure, it's probably more likely that the wave 2 is over and that this is just going to now continue to make lower lows, lower highs in this wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I'm really trying to pay attention to how price reacts to this fib level. If it pulls back instantly, then it may actually be a sign that this really is a wave B, like I was showing on the daily time frame. And if that happens, we probably should even think about going long and probably go back up to one of these higher fibs. But if it breaks and holds below structure, that is a big difference than rejecting structure. If it holds below structure, then I will happily start looking for shorts at the end of every single pullback I see. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, we need to see if this is a rejection of structure or whether it's a break and hold below structure. If it's a break and hold below structure, then I am definitely going to be a seller at the end of every pullback I see. If it's a rejection of structure, then I may even consider going long again for possibly the continuation of the uptrend. Now, this is why it's so important to pay attention to your important structure levels, because this structure level should tell us whether this really is the end of a wave 2 or not. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.